Hi guys, I'm not here today obviously, so let me just go through a bit of what I would have done if I had been in class and just direct you to the order that I'd like you to tackle things today and tomorrow to get started on this new task and new topic. So we're looking at minimalism and minimalism in film particularly, and you guys are going to create a soundtrack for a short movie, and that's the essence of this task. But as part of that, it's going to be really helpful for you to get your head around what minimalism is. So let me just direct you to how to get started on this, and it's like going to start in Google Classroom as we always do, and you can see that the top assignment in our stream is this minimalist film composition. Now the first thing that I want you to do is not to watch the first video in the assignment because I'm not there to introduce it. So instead I want you to go down here to this minimalism playlist. It'll be the second to last thing on the assignment. So I'm going to command click to get that up in a new tab. So what I would like you to do is to have a look at the first video in this playlist. It's Minimalism by Stabbed Panda. It's only about 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes long. Really good introduction to the topic. So have a look at that. The next thing that you're going to do is look at this Minimalism Part 1 video selection and score setup, and that will go through and explain, what you need to do, how to choose your video, where the videos are, all that sort of stuff. So I won't go through that now. Now I'll just mention this as well. Either for homework or for inspiration throughout the task, I've then at the bottom of this playlist got about 5 or 6 different videos of some various examples of minimalist music. So please feel free to check these out. They are really interesting. One of my favourite pieces of all time, in fact 2 of my favourite pieces of all time are here. One is Steve Reich's Different Trains, and another is Philip Glass's Koyanis Gutsy. That goes for about an hour and a half, but it's a great piece of music, really worth checking out and watching the video if you can get your hands on it. So you can look at those for inspiration. What you basically want to do now is, as I said, watch this Minimalism by Stabbed Panda video to get a sense of the topic. Then watch Minimalism Part 1 video selection and score setup and use that to help you get started with your video. And the other thing that you might like to do, just to get a sense of where we're headed, is check out Mr. M Samurai Hoedown. That's my quick sort of example of something that you might end up with, something a little bit like this. So you can see that I'm ending up with, I've got my film here, but I've also got my score that I created in the corner here, and the video series goes through how to do that. So you might like to watch all of that just to get a sense of where we're going, and then video selection and score set up today. Now tomorrow you should be aiming to get through another couple of parts, maybe just this one, addition and subtraction and melodic transformation, something like that, and just get a good start on your piece by the end of the double lesson tomorrow. Okay, all the best, and I will catch up with you guys when I see you on Friday. Have a good one.